NPS is a bit of an interesting metric these days. Do you think it's a good one? Should we use it still? Should we be setting targets, that sort of thing? What is important when you're thinking about what to ask your customers? Judy, do you want to take that first?
Sure, I'm happy to. So NPS, is it a good metric? I think it depends, right? It depends on the purpose of your program and what is that business intention that you are, business intention, business opportunity that you're trying to address. It is certainly a very common primary metric. It's certainly a widely respected primary metric, easily benchmarkable for all of these reasons. Boards, right, and executive leadership teams certainly like it. But I do think there are applications where we may not be recommending the brand or the product to others. And B2B, depending on your specific area of business, might be one of those cases where we want to be really thoughtful about it. I just might not have a friend or family member that's in the market for that particular, B2B need, right? So I think it's always worth considering and thinking through. I think the other thing, too, we really have to keep in mind, Lisa, whether we're using NPS or any other primary metric, often those are lagging indicators, right? They happen as the result of an experience, as the result of a relationship. So I would encourage CX leaders to focus on the behaviors that we can, orient our time and energy around, those desired customer-centric behaviors, where we can see some, more leading indicators, right, to get ahead of that. Things like issue prevention, as an example.